Ice cream truck meltdown.
Hello, everyone. Ice cream is here. Sweet and cool ice cream. Oh, no, no, no! My engine is broken. I can't move. My cooling system is broken too. My ice cream is melting.
The ice cream truck is in trouble. I need to help right away. Oh my! What happened to you? Your ice cream is all melted. Come with me to my repair shop.
Okay. I really need help.
Ice cream truck, what happened to you? You're all messy with melted ice cream. How did you do that?
I slipped into a big hole on the road. My engine broke.
Don't worry, I can fix you quickly. Let's go to the repair shop. First, let's chase away these flies. All done. Now let's give you a wash. You'll feel much better.
Thank you.
First, rinse with clean water. Then add lots of bubbles. Rinse the bubbles away. Blow dry with a fan. And finally, wax and polish. All done! You look so cool now. Let's check your engine.
Wow, that feels much better. My power is back.
Great! Now let's fix your cooling system. This new system can work all day long.
Is this for me? That's amazing! Thank you, TinkerBot.
This is for the best ice cream truck. Drive carefully and don't melt again. By the way, this new system can work all day long for you.
Okay, TinkerBot. Bye-bye.